Good day, I am Rizzy Equipado from Dent 211 and I will be discussing the role of hemoglobin in gas transport. So what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is the pigment that gives blood its red color that provides transport of blood gases. It also carries oxygen from our lungs to the rest of the body and a portion of carbon dioxide in the opposite direction. Hemoglobin transports 98% of the total oxygen present in the blood and 23% of carbon dioxide. Next is, what is the role of hemoglobin in oxygen transport? Blood is the avenue by which oxygen is transported through the body. Oxygen diffuses into our blood to load every 100 ml of blood with about 20 milliliters of oxygen. This is called oxygen-rich blood. It also transports oxygen from our lungs to different tissues. It increases the efficiency of gas exchange by removing oxygen from the blood plasma, making oxygen continue to diffuse into the blood. It also transports carbon dioxide from the tissues back to the lungs. It maintains acid-base balance. And of course, hemoglobin helps buffer the pH of blood and carries some carbon dioxide. Most carbon dioxide in our blood combines with water to form carbonic acid. This carbonic acid breaks down to form hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions. This helps buffer the blood. As the hemoglobin loads oxygen, its affinity for hydrogen ions declines. Hydrogen ions dissociate from hemoglobin and bind with bicarbonate ions, transported from the plasma into the red blood cells. The reaction of hydrogen ions and bicarbonate. Now I will quickly explain the gas exchange during respiration. The first step, as you can see in the panel, carbon dioxide diffuses out from red blood cells into the alveolar spaces of the lung, while oxygen diffuses into red blood cells from air in the lungs. Then oxygen-rich blood is carried to the heart and pumped to the body. This oxygen diffuses out from the red blood cells into the body tissues, while carbon dioxide diffuses into red blood cells from the body tissues. For panel number 4, the carbon dioxide is converted to carbonic acid in the red blood cell by carbonic hydrase, and then dissociates into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is transported out of the red blood cell by chloride shift. Next, the oxygen-poor blood is then carried back to the heart and pumped to the lungs. Lastly, in the lungs, carbon dioxide is reformed in the red blood cell by a reverse of the reaction in panel 4. That is all, and here are the references that I used to make this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you!